Good morning, students. Today we will do the chapter 5 The Boy Who Never Told a Lie. The Boy Who Never Told a Lie is a poem in your book. Students, have you lied any time in your life? Who must not have had the experience of lying? When your mom asks you, "Why did you get late returning from friend's house?" you may reply, "I was doing my homework," instead of actually saying, "I was playing with my friends." This happens so many times. Gradually, lying becomes habit. And do you know the consequences of lying are? You will lose the trust of people. So, when you lose the trust of others, you actually lose your value as a person. Nobody will believe you. It hurts others. You may have to say more lies to cover up one lie. When you lie, you feel a sense of uneasiness and dread of being caught. Liar is always a selfish person. So, what do you think? Should we tell lies? Let me relate to all this with the story The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. It is a story concerns a shepherd boy who repeatedly tricks nearby villagers into thinking a wolf is attacking his flock. One day, when a wolf actually does appear and the boy again calls for help, the villagers believe that it is another false alarm and they did not come up. The sheep are eaten by the wolf. It shows how liars are rewarded. Even if they tell the truth, no one believes them. So, what do you think? Should we tell lies or always speak the truth? Truth is rewarding. Speaking the truth always gets you many benefits. These are: it opens your heart. You forget fear of being caught. You will become more authentic to the people around you. The truth saves you from lot of trouble. It will shape up your morals. Your spirit will be more at ease. Others will seek you out. People will listen to you. Honesty opens up more paths. Your creative side will flourish. Overall, it betters you. This can be better understood with the story God Mercury and the Woodcutter. A woodcutter who had accidentally dropped his axe into a river, and because this was his only means of livelihood, sat down and wept. Taking pity on him, the god Mercury appeared and dived into the water and returned with a golden axe. God asked, "Was this what you had lost?" The woodcutter said, "It was not," and returned the same answer when a silver axe been brought to the surface. Only when his own tool is reproduced there does he claim it. Impressed by his honesty, God allows him to keep all the three axes. So, can you name any one famous person who never told a lie, who always spoke the truth? Can you? Just think. Yes, the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He always spoke the truth. Speaking truth is a good habit as well as it builds character. The children who never told a lie always grew up to be honest people. So, in the chapter 5, The Boy Who Never Told a Lie, there was a boy who always told the truth. He had curly hair and pleasant eyes. Children in the school and people around him always praised him for his honesty and being true because he never told a lie. So, students, find out more stories on Never Tell a Lie or Always Speak the Truth and send me on my WhatsApp personals window. Do read the poem aloud with proper pronunciation, intonation, and voice modulation. Learn it and record it and send me on WhatsApp. Thank you all.